This is what we've been looking forward to all day.
Oh! Get out, get out, get out.
What is it?
You got strong.
Look how steep this is. Where is it going? Go on top.
About 15%.
This is hard.
This is about to get real.
I think I'm dead. Hey, we're here at Red Bluff in Mississippi.
And you know I'm here, so let's get started.
Hey guys, so today we are at the Red Bluff. It's like a mini Grand Canyon in the middle of Mississippi. I don't know who would have thought that this was here, but it's absolutely breathtaking. Haley is hiking with us, and so is Nick and Colin. So you will see 4 sweaty faces this whole time. It's gonna be really exciting. So we came from right outside of New Orleans, and we came through Slidell. We went through most of Louisiana and then cut into Mississippi. It's about a 2.5 hour drive, depending. We made a few pit stops for snacks because we were hangry. There's a hike down to the bottom of the bluff, which we are gonna go do right now. So we are on the trail. I don't know how far we are or how far we aren't. We've been walking for a minute. We've encountered some roots, and right now, as you can see, we're going through a bit of a jungle. I feel like Bagheera's gonna come out at any second. He's probably not. Colin's holding the camera really well. I've lost the mic twice, and we're having a good day. It's hot. Is it hot, Haley?
Yeah, but it's shady.
Yeah, this feels like 7%, Nick.
Good 7.
Solid 7. Not an 8. This is an 8.
Come on.
This is kind of muddy though. That's slick.
You can put your phone. Oh my god. Yeah. Here, you gonna help them down?
Yes.
I think I'm just going to place my butt on the ground. Nice. Good thing I'm handling this though, because you have no help from the time.
I love you.
I love you. He's just gonna
That's
catch you on
not enough.
camera. This is your big moment when you fall.
Love is not enough in this situation.
He does it.
Oh my God, I'm sliding.
He does.
You think you can do it better?
He does it so casually.
Woo! Okay, so we are at these train tracks. It has been a rigorous climb.
Rigorous.
Descent.
Descent. Nick says it was a 7%.
decline.
Yeah, this feels like 7%, Nick.
Good 7.
Solid 7. We're like 87. I don't know.
Yeah, it's been a decline.
Let's show you.
Quite the decline there.
And we don't know how far we are or where we came
I
from,
don't know.
but here we are. Here we go.
Well, I mean, they do abandon some of them out here.
How do we know this is the right way?
I don't know. I saw people coming from across too.
But then there's... We followed some people down the railroad tracks. That was the incorrect thing to do. You're supposed to go across. So here we go. Back the other way. Hey there. I see you eyeing that white backpack that Colin has on. Let me tell you a little bit about it. The Sienna backpack is the perfect bag for the hiker, vlogger, traveler, adventurer, and entrepreneur. We use it for our camera equipment because it has multiple sleeves, pockets, a laptop compartment, and a USB charging port. Whether it's for travel or everyday life, this backpack is perfect for any scenario. For more information, click the link at the top right now for the full video, or click the link in the description below for full details and a 10% discount code. Now back to the video. This is what we've been looking forward to all day. Whew. It's so cold. We are deeper into the trail. Nick says we're going the right way. We don't really know if that's true, but following the fearless leader, because if we die out here, we die together. And we're coming up on the river, so at least we could signal for help. This is Pearl River. So it is a mile hike starting by the canyon. You come all the way down, you come by Pearl River, and then you end up inside of the canyon. And you then, after that, you can either climb up the canyon, which don't think that I'm gonna be able to handle that, or you come back. So 2 miles round trip, not too bad.
Guys, get out of here. Get out.
What is it?
I just got stung.
Stung?
Oh, a bit or something, dude. Yes, it's freaking.
What bit you?
It hurts. Oh my god, dude, it freaking hurts.
What is
So how do
it?
you know that's poisonous looking out? Or what?
I want to be safe here. You seen Into the Wild? He died in a bus.
Hold on. He ate poison though. I mean, he
so dramatic. Imagine.
Dude, I've never. Ow, that hurts.
You sure it was a bug and not like
Really,
No.
I don't know. You want to go walk through there?
No.
Good thing I went first. You know, I took
Let me
the
see.
bullet.
Gabby almost went first.
This looks horrible. Now everybody's gonna laugh at me.
Only us.
What a wimp.
So, as I was, leading the pack through this lonesome forest, I walked through the trail, the brush. Next thing you know, something bit me, stung. I don't know, but I'm in dire pain right now. This doesn't look like much,
It's
but it's like a paper
swollen.
cut. Yeah, it's getting
No,
up
it's not.
there.
Your finger's just like that.
The bulky fingers. You good?
I might lose it, but
You
I did it
good?
for
You good
did
to
it for the
continue?
video.
You,
I kind of want to touch it again.
Oh, that's not a good plan.
that's bad.
That looks
That's
like
like
pin
acupuncture.
needles. Eesh.
So this is how I do acupuncture.
Let me see.
That looks like a sewing.
What
thing.
is that?
Stick your needles in.
Someone's gonna comment, but yeah, he's about to die. He's got like 48 hours.
You're spinning that so close to your finger when you spin that.
It looks like it has bulbs on the end.
You know what that looks like? Like science. Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
some kind of
Like a
like atom or
molecule.
something.
It
Yeah.
looks like COVID. Oh god, we found it.
So now we are going the other way up the stream. The railroad tracks were still the wrong way, but that's okay. And we're having technical difficulties, but it's absolutely breathtaking out here. Like, it's so pretty.
Look how steep this is. Where does it go?
It goes up. It's just very steep, I think.
Oh no.
I think this might be wrong.
There's no other way to go though, I think.
Right?
Talk about this really steep ascent right now.
I don't want to talk.
It's about 15%,
hard.
20%?
15.
15! They go straight up. Nick, that is 100.
No,
That
I'm
is a
telling
solid
you,
100.
This is about to get real.
when we go up there,
Somebody walk forward. Y'all.
I'm doing this one-handed.
What's the camera getting on, dummy? Oh God. How are we gonna get down this? I don't feel good.
How are people doing this? This is a very, very steep climb.
I think I'm dead. I don't know what Nick was saying about 15% incline. That's a lot. I don't want to talk anymore. I'm pop.
You got anything to say?
We're eating some frozen stuff. That's hard. That was hard.
So like way down there, that's where we came from?
So we made it to the sort of middle, but after getting lost a couple of times and going all kinds of places, even making it to the river, I think this is the end of the journey. And now we're going to go back up there. We did it. There were some ups and downs, but mostly ups. It's steep.
It's beautiful.
It's gorgeous. Down there is really pretty. There's lots of colors of clay. Try to find a group that seems like they know what they're doing and follow them. Don't try to go rogue because it's very confusing. You think it's the way? It might not be.
There's a bunch of ways.
There's
That's
a lot
the
of ways.
problem.
Too many ways. But that's okay. Overall, it was a good day. It's a pretty day. It's hot. So if you wanted to come here, you don't have to actually do the hike. You can just stay up here on the lookout area. There's a few lookout areas. You can even drive around, see the other side of it. That way you don't have to get down and dirty, if you will, because the hike was pretty strenuous, even though it didn't say that online. I do think it's worth it to go all the way down to the river, though. That was gorgeous, and the water feels good on your feet, and it's really nice. Overall, good day trip. If you are an avid hiker, I think this is for you. If you're an intermediate hiker, I think you do this. If you are, disabled or anything like that, do not attempt this. Make sure you subscribe if you'd like more day trips, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Like this video also if you think you would like to do this and you think this would be a fun day trip from New Orleans. Also, make sure that you ring the bell for notifications because we've got a bunch of other trips coming up. So make sure you stick around to see everything else that we're doing. Bye!